Hi, I'm Eddie O'Brien.
And I'm Aliya Mody.
Aliya, it's really hard to find a property in a good school district, in a nice family-oriented neighborhood. You're right next to the freeway, a quick exit, and you're home. Now, what do you think about this one?
Absolutely, Eddie. This is 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, almost 3,000 square feet, completely updated, new built, with solar, great schools, close to a park. You really can't miss taking a tour of this one.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 6565 Gravina Loop. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own one of the largest and newest homes in the final development of Basking Ridge. Built in 2010, this spacious 5-bedroom, 3-bath home offers 2,945 square feet of living space on a spacious lot. The home features a highly desirable open floor plan with soaring ceilings, hardwood floors, and an abundance of natural light throughout. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with stainless steel appliances, sleek quartz countertops, and a large island perfect for both meal prepping and entertaining. A generous downstairs bedroom and full bath provide ideal accommodation for family or guests. Upstairs, you'll find 4 additional bedrooms, including a spacious primary suite with sweeping views of the nearby foothills. The luxurious primary bath offers an upgraded walk-in closet, a large sunken tub, and a separate standing shower. A convenient upstairs laundry room and versatile bonus loft space offers endless possibilities, whether you need a playroom, entertainment zone, or a dedicated work-from-home space. Step outside to the tranquil private backyard, an entertainer's dream. The large patio features elegant travertine tiles and a pergola and offers a perfect setting for outdoor gatherings. With no backyard neighbors, you can enjoy complete privacy and peace. This home is just steps away from Gravina Park and offers easy access to freeways, shopping, and more. With its spacious design, modern finishes, and an ideal location, this is the one you've been waiting for. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous opportunity, and if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.